everyone, this is Ren from Strong Girls Knits, and this is my sister-in-law, Jen.
Hi.
We are going to try the pumpkin pie blizzard. It scares me every time I do this. Anyways.
Mine's melting a little bit, but we're getting there.
Yep. Alright, so first taste try. It actually tastes really good. I straight up taste like
That's
pumpkin pie.
delish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's really good. It's probably, like in terms of being, it really does just taste like pumpkin ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
Like they took a pie, pumpkin pie, and just ice creamed it.
The whipped cream really helps.
Does it?
I feel like the only thing you're missing is the warmth after heating up a pie.
Yeah.
Like that's literally the only difference.
This is just like the yogurt, the Chobani yogurt we were just talking about. That was the same thing. It tasted just like it, but just smoother because it was yogurt.
This is decent.
This is actually really good. And they're perfect spices too.
Have you gotten a chunk of the crust yet?
Yeah, I did get a piece of crust in there, and it did say it has actual pumpkin pieces in it.
Oh, cool.
I haven't I don't know if it's like pureed in there, but the picture makes it look like there's supposed to be chunks of pumpkin in it. So I don't know. Have not gotten there yet. Yeah, I just keep getting crust. I don't get any chunks of pumpkin.
Same. Although the crust pieces are really crispy. I expected them to be a little more, I guess, like soaked through.
Yeah, like soggy.
Yeah, soggy, but they're not.
I bet because it probably gets mixed in there like right before they do it. So I bet if you let it sit though, it gets soggy.
I might prefer that.
I guess I like the crisp. I like the crispy.
You like the crispy?
Yeah.
I guess I'm used to my mom's crust at the bottom of the pumpkin pie being sort of more dense and, you know, more soaked through.
Yeah. Yeah, well, yeah, hers is a little dense at the bottom. Mine's always, I try and like make it pretty crispy. So
Okay.
like that's probably one of my favorite parts is the crust. Like I could almost eat pie crust by itself.
Oh, for sure.
And then, but with a pie, it's perfect, so. All right, well, how many pumpkins do you give out of 5?
Oh, definitely 5. I do 5 pumpkins.
5 out of 5 pumpkins. So thank you guys so much. I know it was a short video, but we'll see you later. Bye.